At the close of trading on March 30, 2026, the Colombo Stock Exchange ended on a negative note, with the All-Share Price Index, ASPI, declining by 283.49 points, minus 1.33%, to 21,092.24, while the S&P SL 20 index fell by 91.03 points, minus 1.52%, to 5,908.96, reflecting broad-based selling pressure across the market and weakened investor sentiment during the session. The market recorded a total turnover of LKR 2.17 billion, with crossings contributing LKR 142.23 million, indicating moderate trading activity during the session. Sampath Bank plc and John Keells Holdings plc emerged as the top contributors in terms of turnover value, reflecting continued investor interest in blue-chip counters. Meanwhile, the overall market capitalization stood at LKR 7,514.26 billion, highlighting the sustained scale of the Colombo stock market despite prevailing market fluctuations. Total market purchases were dominated by domestic investors, accounting for 2,118.01 million rupees, while foreign purchases contributed 55.45 million rupees. On the selling side, domestic investors recorded sales of 2,085.51 million rupees, whereas foreign investors accounted for 87.95 million rupees, indicating a net foreign outflow during the session. The top gainers of the day were led by SMB Finance plc, SEMB.X, which surged by 50%, plus LKR 0.10, followed by Insureem Insurance Brokers plc, INME.N, gaining 7.77%, plus LKR 101.00, TES Agro plc, TES.X, up 7.69%, plus LKR 0.10, Agropatana Plantations plc, AGPL.N, rising 5.48%, plus LKR 0.80, and Browns Investments plc, BIL.N, increasing 5.26%, plus LKR 0.30, reflecting strong upward price movements across finance, insurance, plantation, and diversified sectors. The top losers of the day were led by Lake House Printers and Publishers plc, LPRT.N, which declined by 9.94%, LKR 77.50, followed by Chrisworld plc, CWL.N, down 6.56%, LKR 1.20, Ceylon Land and Equity plc, KZOO.N, slipping 6.45%, LKR 0.80, East West Properties plc, East.N, falling 6.15%, LKR 3.90, and Utapacaloa Plantations plc, UDPL.N, decreasing 6.03%, LKR 8.75, reflecting broad-based selling pressure across printing, real estate, and plantation sector counters. The ASPI recorded positive momentum, driven primarily by gains in Cargill's, Ceylon, plc, CARG.N, Browns Investments plc, BIL.N, Locke Holdings plc, LOLC.N, Amana Bank plc, ABL.N, and People's Insurance plc, PINS.N, as investor interest strengthened across diversified holdings, banking, and consumer-related counters, supporting overall market sentiment and contributing to the index's upward movement. The ASPI experienced downward pressure, mainly due to declines in John Keells Holdings plc, JKH.N, National Development Bank plc, NDB.N, Haley's plc, HAYL.N, Melstacorp plc, MELS.N, and Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc, Com.N, as selling interest in diversified conglomerates and banking counters weighed on overall market performance, limiting the index's upward potential.